What it reminds me of is when I was a kid in history books looking at the pictures of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. It's devastation for miles in every direction.
The place had just been leveled. Debris piles everywhere. In this very small town, it was tough to recognize the street to turn on to get to our house.
I've never seen anything like it firsthand.
Your landmarks were gone. I mean, buildings and things that you would look to, they were gone. This is Mexico Beach, and on October 10th, 2018, Hurricane Michael came ashore as a strong Category 4 hurricane. This is my house, Sand Palace of Mexico Beach. It managed to stand through the hurricane even though we had winds of 155 miles per hour sustained, gusts up to 185. But we built our house to be handed down through generations. We tried to build it with the strongest materials and the strongest methods that we could find. It's concrete and steel from 28 feet below ground all the way to the eave of the roof, with the exception of our windows and doors. They're made by Custom Window Systems of Ocala, Florida, and they are the best windows and doors money can buy. And our real-world test proved them certainly worthy. On our Gulf-facing wall, it's almost all glass, and it took every bit of Hurricane Michael straight in the face. At some point during the storm, we took a number of debris impacts to the east side of the house. And we've got 2 windows that fractured, but they didn't fail. They did exactly what they were supposed to do. The outer panes broke, but the inner panes held. We didn't take any moisture or wind into our house through those windows. That window, by the way, is still functional. We can still raise and lower that window, and it operates as it should. This window did its job.
If I were building a house again, no matter where in the country I built the house, I would put in custom window and doors. I'd go to an authorized custom dealer, and I'd get an authorized custom installer to put in the windows and doors.
My dream would be that with current construction technologies, like the great windows and doors that we have, that a hurricane could hit a town like Mexico Beach, pass by, and all the houses still be there.
Our windows helped that house survive by withstanding an impact. The testing protocol calls for the product to be impacted by some form of windborne debris, flying debris. The test calls for a 2x4.
We literally shoot a 2x4 at 50 feet per second at the product, and we'll shoot it 2 or 3 times based on the kind of tests we're performing.
Then it has to get cycled with negative and positive pressure, 4,500 times one way, 4,500 times the other way.
And the whole process is designed to simulate a hurricane or high wind event.
And then the window still has to operate after that. Our windows were hit by windborne debris. The glass cracked, but the windows still operated. So they performed as they were tested to do. They did what they were supposed to do and protected the home.
We design, manufacture product that protects people and protects people's homes.
We've been designing product for 25 years for that specific moment.
While they went above and beyond in all construction methods and all opportunities, the windows and doors plays a huge part in that success story.
Makes you feel kind of proud knowing that those windows came from the company you worked for, that you could have had a part in saving somebody's home.
Custom Window Systems was founded about 33 years ago here in Ocala, Florida. We were making a few windows a day at the time with a handful of employees. We've since grown to over 800 employees in 2 sites. Our primary focus is hurricane impact protection. We're a leader in the vinyl impact window space. We also make a variety of other products serving different markets and channels.
We make product for the coastal environments, whether it is up into the Carolinas or out to Texas. If you want to protect your house from the coastal environments, hurricanes, salt, wind, we make products that are for that.
We pride ourselves on having a window to fill any opening. We do about 2,000 units a day, 10,000 a week. It's about 500,000 a year.
We've invested millions and millions of dollars in improved technology, improved machinery, improved equipment, and it's all designed around being able to make the product better, safer, and more reliably for our customers.
We've invested significantly in solving business problems.
It's a highly automated, well-run facility.
We're very able to make decisions quickly. We're able to meet the needs of our customers rapidly.
We do what we say we're going to do. We make a commitment based on our product or our testing, and we fulfill that commitment on a daily basis.
I think we're the best vinyl window manufacturer in North America. I think we have the best people. I think we have the best products.
Our windows didn't fail. Our windows held. They were above and beyond our expectations and above and beyond Hurricane Michael.